I do have to drop the car a good inch. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be kind of all over the place. We got to get some things done on the Lexus, got to get some things done on the Audi, also got to have a really good cruise with the boys to kind of the first, second show of the year. Hopefully many more to come. I'm sure I'm missing a few things, but I was editing the last YouTube video last night. Got a little bit of a notification from my buddy, and what do you know? He had sent me a cheap IS300. Some cash out and going to check out another IS300. Just went ahead and got the cash. The guy just now responded, sent us the address. We got about an hour drive ahead of us. We're on a solo mission right now. I just grabbed the truck and trailer, so hopefully this car turns out. Kind of forgot to give a little bit of an update of how looking at that cheap manual IS300 went yesterday. As I suspected, the car definitely needed a bunch of work. It was super rusty, a bunch of the suspension needed to be redone, and in my best interest, I probably didn't need another car. I already have 4 or 5 as is, and I need to finish this IS300. So unfortunately, I did not end up buying it, passed that one up, but that's the way it goes. After about 2 weeks of waiting, the body kit has showed up. The front bumper and rear bumper.
That you got ain't shit, put it up. Yeah, you lame. Yeah, they kissing that hoe, we gon' dap in and fuck. Yeah, we gang. Yeah, I ran this shit up like 2 times. Yeah, I been with finesse like 2 times. Yeah, I been hit the hoe like 2 times.
We got KBD BN front bumper, and we got the IS200 style rear bumper. I was gonna go with the BN style rear bumper, like the front, but those things stick out like no other. So hopefully this works out the way that I'm hoping.
Sit back 'cause they know that shit tough. I got racks in my pocket, I'm still looking rough. Niggas still ain't touching the swag. Yeah, I got racks in my pocket, I'm still looking rough.
Now that we got them all unraveled, probably gonna stick them out in the sun because that's how they unfold. Could use the heat gun as well, make them unfold faster. It's a pretty sunny day out, so probably stick them outside.
I've been hit the hoe like 2 times. I've been hit the hoe like 2 times.
As you saw, we were using the heat gun to finally get the KBD rear bumper all unfolded. Now, it's not as low as I thought it was going to be, but it should be fine because we still do have to lower the car a bit when I put the different springs on there. So I'm probably just going to put the rear bumper on right now, and front bumper is still unfolding over there, but can't put on the front bumper anyways because I need to get smaller tires and another fender for the driver's side, because I did get one for the passenger side, a new one. I'd also forget to mention that I have clear taillights for the trunk and for the car, so I'm gonna have to install those when we get the rear bumper on as well. Got the rear bumper on. It's not exactly what I wanted. Sits pretty high up in the air, unfortunately. Oh, so that's definitely not exactly what I wanted. Might have to go to a fiberglass style BN one. I do have to drop the car a good inch, maybe 2 inches if I can reach it, but we'll see after we do that. Front bumper's not fully unfolded yet, but that's pretty much on the ground.
Everything's gonna be okay. Lenny will be fine. We'll see.
Grab the G 'cause I like how it sounds. Blow my whistle, this hoe out of bounds. Big G for all my help. Yeah, I got cheese and now she wanna dip. Yeah.
Got an absolute great cruise going on. Got about 30 minutes till the meet. It was about an hour drive, but I'll see you when we get there. Just got to the meet. Now waiting to get parked and see what it's looking like when we get in there.
I got cheese and now she wanna dip. Yeah. Ho tryna fuck on my man, Ho tryna fuck on my bands, huh? Guess she mad cause I'm not her little man, huh? Yeah, boy, I been kicking these hoes, doing these shows, I might fly to Japan now. Yeah, boy, I just looked at my doors, I had to my rolls and I caught me some drip now. I was bored, I ain't mean that shit. I don't do dates, I don't feed no bitch.
Didn't get to record much at the meet. Got a few of the cars, but we're heading home now. Good second kind of show of the year. Now it's time to cruise home. It's going to be a wrap on today's video. Like I had mentioned, probably was all over the place, but wasn't really sure what this video was going to turn out to be. Just trying to put some content out at least. Hopefully the next video is a little bit more centered towards just the Lexus. I'm going to be trying to order a new fender for the driver's side and smaller tires so we can get the front bumper fully on, kind of get the right height set for that. Hopefully put the 60K Swift springs in the front and the back. See if we can get the rear a little bit lower, so that we don't have to run a different bumper, because I really would like to stick with the KBD polyurethane bumper in the rear. But if we don't, might have to risk going fiberglass, which don't know if I want to do, but if that's what it's going to take, that's what we got to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Other than that, I'll see you in the next one.